students, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Economics at Your Home. This time I am here with practicals on expenditure method. Though I taught you all the methods and I am also solving some questions related to all three methods. Student, we have discussed value added method, income method. Now I am here with practical on expenditure method. So let us see the particulars. Calculate GNP MP. You have to calculate GNP MP and particulars are as personal consumption expenditure, government consumption expenditure, gross domestic fixed capital formation, import of goods and services, net factor income from abroad, subsidy, foreign stock, export of goods and services, depreciation and NIT, net indirect taxes. The amounts are as you can see, personal consumption expenditure 27,500, government consumption 3,000, gross domestic fixed capital formation 2,500, imports of goods and services 500, NFYA minus 250, subsidy 250, foreign stock 300, exports of goods and services 450, depreciation 1000, NIT 1000. Now you know the formula. Formula is as GDP MP, that is gross domestic product at market price, is equal to personal consumption expenditure plus government consumption expenditure plus gross domestic fixed capital formation plus change in stock, which will result into gross domestic capital formation. If gross domestic capital formation is given, so we will add directly. But when gross domestic capital formation is not given, we do as gross domestic fixed capital formation or gross fixed capital formation plus change in stock plus net export, which will give you GDP MP. Now let us see. As you can see, I have written first, second, third, minus 7, 8, minus 4. What is this? First is personal consumption expenditure. So that I have denoted with first. Then second is government consumption expenditure. Third is gross domestic fixed capital formation minus 7, fall in stock. Why? Because we add change in stock. Change in stock is closing minus opening, but here there is a fall in stock. So we will deduct from gross domestic capital formation, gross domestic fixed capital formation, in order to calculate gross domestic capital formation. Then 8 minus 4. What is 8? On 8th number, export of goods and services, and on 4th, import. So export minus import will give you what? Net export. So we have kept the amount here, 27,500 plus 3,000 plus 2,500 minus 300 plus 450 minus 500. 27 plus 3, 30,500. 2,500 minus 300 will give you 2,200, and 450 minus 500 will result minus 50. Why? Because here import is more than export, so there is a negative export. So here after adding and calculating, you will get the result 32,650 crore. That is GDP MP. Now if you see the question, it is there to calculate GNP MP. So this was GDP MP and we have to calculate GNP MP. So GDP MP we found. Now we can easily calculate GNP MP. How? Just see, GNP MP is equal to GDP MP minus NFYA. What is NFYA? Net factor income from abroad. And you can see on 5th number, net factor income from abroad is given minus 250. So hence it can be calculated. 32,650 minus 250 will result into 32,400 crores. Hence the answer is 32,400 crores. Student, I hope that you understood. Go through the questions and try to solve as many questions you can solve based on this method. This is very important method from examination point of view. So try to solve it, and if there's any problem, you can just contact me. Okay, you can just contact me on my virtual classes. So hope it is clear. Thank you, students.